We've called a press conference today with respect to the review of fuel prices for unleaded petrol, Premix, Kerosene, and diesel and LPG products. This was determined by the latest review by the Fijian Competition and Consumer Commission. And the new fuel and LPG prices will come into effect on the 15th of January, which is Monday, this coming Monday. The new fuel prices are as follows. Motor spirit will go from $1.89 to $2.03 per litre, an increase of 14 cents per litre. Premix will go from $1.75 to $1.89 per litre, an increase of 14 cents per litre. Kerosene from $1.30 to $1.49 per litre, an increase of 19 cents per litre. And diesel from $1.55 to $1.71 per litre, an increase of 16 cents per litre. These new prices, as I said, will be effective from the 15th of January 2018, and this is actually mainly determined by some unfavourable movement in the international price for all petroleum products experienced in the last quarter. This review is just a normal review. It's not the one that gets called whether it's 15 cents up and 15 cents down. This is a normal review. But the crude oil prices were actually traded at the highest levels in more than 2 years for the months of November and early December 2017. And this was actually triggered by OPEC and non-OPEC producing countries continuing to conform with all oil production cuts, which is extended to the end of this year in the Northern Hemisphere. Actually is approaching winter, or already in winter. The increase in these crude oil prices were also supported by a rising global demand from countries such as China and India, as they continue to see positive growth rates. So this is why the high demand for crude oil and production cuts has led to the increase in prices. The new LPG prices are as follows: 4.5 kilogram cylinder from $12.58 to $14.43. That's an increase of $1.85. 12 kilogram cylinder from $33.55 to $38.48. That's an increase of $4.93. And bulk from $2.38 per kg to $2.72 per kg, an increase of 34 cents. And auto gas per litre from $1.58 to $1.82, and that's an increase of 24 cents. The new LPG price hike is significantly impacted in the increase in international butane prices based on Saudi Aramco contract prices. The prices were affected by strengthening of the US dollar, and that has led to international freight rates to increase and resulting in price increase for all LPG products. Fiji is directly impacted by the world market prices for both refined oils and for LPG, and as such any changes in the world market prices will be reflected in fuel and LPG prices in Fiji. The FCCC will conduct the next fuel and LPG prices review on around the 15th of April 2018. So advice to all the consumers is, once again, use it in a sustainable fashion, and make sure that you use less fuel and try and catch a bus or take a walk or ride a cycle. Manaka.